Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this nice background.
Here's the list of the items that you're going to need. Now you're going to make sure that you have a clean area. I'm doing this in my basement right now. As you can see, my clothing is old, worn out. Set up the tarp. Lay the canvas on the tarp. Make sure that it's not wrinkled as much as you can. Then you start painting. I'm adding the white paint right now. Make sure that it has primer. You can't barely tell because of the color of the canvas. But once you have thoroughly laid the paint, then you start laying your other base colors. Right now I chose a gray color. Then I laid a bluish type of paint and make sure everything is blended. Then I used a broom because the brush I couldn't reach. I asked permission first from the boss. She said yes, as long as I cleaned it. Then with the rag, go ahead and blend everything in. Fold everything together, put it in a box, take it outside, leave it to dry, bring it back in. I rolled it up to kind of get rid of some of the wrinkles. Then I started setting up my stand. And of course, put the background on the stand with the clamps. And we're ready to test. Now I needed a subject, so I didn't have anybody, so I set myself up real quick for a photo op. Now here's some of the pictures that I took with this background. I did some self-portraits there, and I took some pictures of my friend. I didn't add any gels or anything to the background. It was just the normal color. Everything was done in post.
As you can see, you can get some excellent results. So go ahead and grab some canvas, some paint. Get messy, get some sunlight, go outside, do it in your basement, wherever you want, but get creative. I know you can do it and you can make some great pictures with it. Until later.